Hello everyone. Today, in this lecture, we are going to explain the difference among whose, whom, and who. But, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe the channel and like the video. Let's move and learn it all one by one. Who. Who is a subject pronoun. It is used to refer to the person who performs an action or is in a certain state. What does it mean? Simply, it means that the word who is nothing but just a pronoun like he, she, it, etc. Basically, it is used to refer to the subject of a sentence, the person that performs the action of the verb. Just look at these examples. Who wrote this book? Look at this example. The word who is functioning as a subject because it performs an action. Basically, it functions as subject, but if you want to identify that how it is a subject, so apply this trick. Replace the word who in answer with another pronoun like he, she, or they, if it can be replaced with subjective case of a pronoun, so definitely it is a subject of a sentence. Like, who wrote this book? The answer is, she wrote this book. You can see in answer it is replaced with subject pronoun, she, so it is obviously a subject of this sentence. The next example is, who would like to go on vacation? Again, here the word who is a subject of this sentence because it has taken the place of a subject. If you are confused, again replace it with another pronoun in answer. If fits here, then it is functioning as subject, but if another subject pronoun does not fit here, so it means it is not a subject. Let's replace it with the pronoun they, so it becomes they would like to go on vacation. So, it makes sense. It means it is a subject of this sentence because another subject pronoun can replace it. Who ate all the cookies? Observe this one, the pronoun who, again, is functioning as a subject. If you want to identify it, then apply this trick, like replace it with another pronoun in answer. Who ate all the cookies? She ate all the cookies. As you have understood who, let's learn whom. The pronoun whom is used as the object of a verb or preposition. It is the objective case of the pronoun who. Simply, it means that this is also a pronoun but is an objective case. Actually, it takes place of an object just like other objective pronouns, for example, him, her, them, etc. Just look at these examples. Whom did you give the book? Look at this example. Here, the pronoun whom, it works as an object of the sentence because it is the receiver of a book. So, simply, you can say, it is nothing but it is just a pronoun, but it is only used as an object of the sentence like other objects. The next example is, whom did he blame for the accident? Again, here the word whom is a pronoun which functions as an object of this sentence. If you want to find out that how it works here as an object, then answer to this question and replace it with another object pronoun. Like, whom did he blame for the accident? The answer is, he blamed her for the accident. You can see here the object, her, can replace it. So, definitely, it is the object of this sentence. Whom did he marry? Again, in this sentence, the word whom is the object. Basically, apply this trick and answer it. If in the answer, it is replaced with an object, then it is the object. Just look at. Whom did he marry? He married her. You can see, whom is replaced with the object pronoun, her. So, obviously it is the object of this example. On the other hand, whose. Whose is a possessive form of who that refers to the person to whom something belongs. Simply, it means that whose is nothing but just a possessive form of who, and it shows ownership or possession of someone. Basically, it functions like other possessive adjectives such as my, her, their and his. Just look at these examples. Whose car is this? Look at this example. The word whose is here the possessive form of who, because it shows ownership or possession. So, that is why it is nothing but just a possessive form which shows a possession. It asks that who is that person who owns the car. The next example is, whose birthday is it today? Again, the word whose is a possessive form of who, because it shows a possession or ownership. It asks a question that whose birthday it is. So, simply, it means that it is the possessive case of who, and it can be replaced with other possessive adjectives like her, his, their, etc. Just replace it with other possessive adjective to test it. For example, his birthday is today. So, you can see the word his has replaced the word whose. So, it is a possessive adjective. Whose class has been started? Observe this one, the word whose is a possessive adjective, because it shows ownership or possession. Basically, here it talks about the class like, who owns it? Simply, it is a question that asks to whom the class belongs. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. Then please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.